Typically, when there's an electrical inspection on your home, you are either about to buy the home or you are about to sell the home. And so you'll have a home inspector come in, inspect your home. He's inspecting all kinds of different things. And part of that is your electrical layout or devices. You're gonna know after the home inspection what all needs to be replaced, if anything, what doesn't work, things like that. But the main thing is safety, because you don't want to buy a home that's unsafe and you don't want to sell a home to someone else that is unsafe. And so one of the main things that the inspector is going to look at as far as electrical goes is the panel. So if you have an older home, or if you're about to buy an older home or sell one, a lot of times when you look at the panel, there's different brands that are no longer accepted for safety reasons and insurance purposes. So some of those brands are Federal Pacific. Another one is Zinsco. You have Challengers, which are just a rebranded version of Zinsco. You have Wadsworth. You have also Murray panels that have a split bus that don't have a main breaker on top. It has a breaker feeding the bottom half of your house, but it doesn't have a main breaker on top. So there's no way to actually cut off power to your panel. So all those things taken into consideration as far as making sure all of your lights work, making sure that your receptacles work, things are up to code to some degree. A lot of times the inspectors will, for lack of better terms, like grandfather you in, because you can't like rewire every single old house, right? So there's just certain parameters that are acceptable as far as what's allowed in an electrical inspection if you're about to sell or buy a home. GFCI protection is huge, on your kitchens and outside circuits. So the main thing again is just safety, and that's what the inspectors are looking for. And if you would like, you can get an electrical inspector out there before your home inspector gets there. But either way, you're going to find out about all this stuff if you have any hazardous setups in your electrical system.